Philippines. Ang mga tao talaga, runner na talaga.
Talaga.
Oo, diba? Alam ko ako speaking of myself, nagsimula ako before mag-pandemic. Yan, medyo late bloomer ang ating fitness journey na pagtakbo. Foundation!
Okay, and organized by Team Pacquiao Pinoy Fitness and Pep Squad events. Ayan, later din, yung mga sponsors natin, I think we have prepared.
Oo nga, dito na tayo.
Yes, yan yung something to look forward to. And syempre,
Please make sure yung mga, when you come back after the race, visit yung mga booths ng ating mga sponsors, is Skyflakes.
Magkaintindihan.
Is giving away free Skyflakes.
and
For the female 21-kilometer race.
our third placer, congratulations! With a good start! Organ time of 2 hours and 1 minute and 58 seconds. Congratulations! Third placer, Elizabeth Octovani! Once again, our third placer sa ating female division,
Kakaiba ang aking award.
Once again, congratulations sa ating female division winners. Third place, Miss Elizabeth Octofani. Second place is Marites Noquiao. And our first placer, Rizal Kiday. Congratulations to our top 3 21 kilometers female. Yan ang kita ko on screen. Ng pambansang compound himself and our second place winner is Marites Noquiao. Alright, may pa-trivia ko habang nag-aaway ang ating pambansang kamao. In case you guys didn't know, ang ating pambansang kamao na si Mr. Manny Pacquiao, isang bida ambassador. Kaya ang buhay, ingat! Very Once again, our third placer with the bib number 21092, Mr. Jonathan Pangan with a gun time of
1 hour, 44 performers na si Sir Manny.
Sir Manny, pwede po ba kami makahingi ng sample dyan? Iba talaga mag-selfie, oh. Sanay na sanay.
Makakuha tayo sa background.
Yes!
Idol, jump mo ako!
Ayan, Sir Manny,
Ayun din ang gusto ko eh.
magpasample po ng shadow boxing. Legend.
Pajak
Si Zenty pa din.
Boss Manny, suntukin mo ako! Manny, sparring tayo dyan.
Siyempre, iniikutan ni Senator Manny Pacquiao lahat ng side ng ring para makapag-selfie with our runners, di ba?
Parang po siya, kaya siya.
Nakaisip ng event na to.
Ay, hindi nga siyang mastermind.
Yes, of course. And syempre, hindi natin makakalimutan ang ating partners and sponsors. Once again,